Hey there, sneakerheads and online shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for navigating your favorite platforms. Today, we're tackling something that might save you some hassle: how to cancel an order on Flight Club in 2025. Flight Club is that go-to spot for rare sneakers and streetwear, but sometimes plans change, and you need to hit the brakes on a purchase. Don't worry, I'll guide you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and without any stress. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Flight Club account. Head over to their website or app. By 2025, they've made it even more user-friendly with updated interfaces. Once you're in, navigate to the My Account section, usually found in the top right corner. From there, click on Orders or Order History to see a list of your recent purchases. Now, find the specific order you want to cancel. Look for the order number or the item details to double-check. But here's a key point: not all orders can be canceled. Flight Club's policy in 2025 might have tightened up, so if your order has already shipped or been processed, you could be out of luck. If it's still in the pending status, you're good to go. Click on that order, and you should see a Cancel Order button. Go ahead and select it. After you click Cancel, you'll probably be prompted to confirm your decision. Double-check everything because this is your last chance to back out. Once confirmed, Flight Club will send you an email confirmation, and any payments might be refunded within 5 to 7 business days, depending on your payment method. Oh, and if you're using their new 2025 features, like the integrated chat support, feel free to reach out for help if something goes wrong. One more thing. Always keep an eye on Flight Club's terms and conditions, as they could change. If your cancellation doesn't go through, it might be because of high-demand items or restocking fees. Be prepared for that. There you have it, folks. Canceling an order on Flight Club in 2025 is straightforward if you follow these steps. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more e-commerce hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay sneaker savvy, and we'll see you in the next one.